Hello, magandang hapon sa lahat. Dito kami ngayon sa Lakatan Farm namin doing leaf pruning kasi may mga spots na ng sigatuka. So ito yung ano na ba ito? 5 months old. We plant this Lakatan last mid of May. So we're now in the mid of September, June, July, August, September. So 4.5 months. It was already planted before, around 5 years ago. Nakapagtanim kami dito ng the same variety, Lakatan. So kung makikita nyo, may mga spot-spot na nasakit, kagaya nyan. May ano tayo dyan. Yan yung tinatawag nating muko. Yun. Then we have also bansitap at saka yung fusarium wilt, yung tinatawag nilang Panama disease. At ang nakaganda nito is way back the mid of July, nung naging 2 months old na siya, we started to spray sigatoka control. So yung ginamit namin is yung dalawang chemical lang, yung mancozeb at saka chlorothalonil. 7 days interval. So ito yung resulta niya. Talaga maganda. Mostly we have 11 to 12 fully functional leaves. So almost the same na sa Cavendish banana, at during shooting you need at least 12 functional leaves. So ito, kung ma-maintain namin yung spray with favorable weather condition, papabor yung weather during spray, hindi siya maulan, mami-maintain natin itong ganitong klaseng dahon. So expected yung Lakatan will bear fruit at 7 to 8 months. Sana nga ma-maintain natin itong ganitong dahon so that we can produce bigger fruits, then much heavier. Kasi if we go back on the making of yung pagkain ng halaman in a photosynthesis, dito sa dahon yung paggawa niya ng pagkain. So mas maraming dahon, mas healthy, mas malalaki yung magiging prutas niya. So hoping guys na we can maintain itong klaseng dami ng dahon, 12 functional leaves during shooting niya, kasi after shooting wala namang ilalabas na dahon yan at 12 weeks, and then may ini-expect ka na leaf loss per week na 0.5 or even at 0.75. So yung 12 functional leaves mo from shooting to harvest, that's around 8 to 10 weeks old, 10 weeks. So may at least 3 dahon ka pa na matira kung isang dahon ang mawawala mo per week. But if you can manage to have this like this dami ng dahon, then at harvest maybe we still have 5 to 7 leaves at harvest, and that is very good na para sa Lakatan. Kasi yan, sa Cavendish, kasi I am working in company producing Cavendish. We are exporting Cavendish in different markets outside the country. Yan yung aming parabang standard during harvest, na dapat may at least minimum of 5 leaves functional during harvest para hindi madaling mahinog yung saging. Kaya nga may mga problema yung nagsusupply ng saging sa Manila, kasi during transit nila, kung may mga aberya, natatagalan yung biyahe from the expected 4 to 5 days travel, nagiging 7 or even longer. Talagang pagdating ng Manila, kung yung hinarvest nilang saging dito sa Davao or somewhere in Mindanao, may problema sa dahon or wala ng dahon totally pero green pa siya, after 2 to 3 days mahihinog yan. So mas maganda talaga yung maraming dahon during harvest. So thank you for watching. Next time tuturo naman namin yung ibang operations sa banana farm namin. Maraming salamat.